सो आता स्पेशल कितें ऑन 5th आसतलें थंय काय कशें कितें आसता?
Special means it's a religious function
हय
which is being organized totally by the church authorities. We per se do not have any role. Our role on the 5th will be just to cooperate with the church authorities. Should there be any requirement from our side, we will try and deliver.
इवन जर ह्या दिसांनी लायट्स आणि हे शो बीन आशिल्ले थंय से कॅथेड्रलाचेर
Yesterday was the last.
हय सो तेजो कसो कितें रिस्पॉन्स आशिल्लो इवन काल सीएमान विजीट केला थंय
Same visit yesterday. And I think you all were there. And you all saw yourselves how many people were there. Even after, I've seen, for example, there were people who stood there for 2-3 times to watch the show. So I think the response was good.
ओके इवन जर तुमी डेली चडशे आसतालेच थंय एक्सपोजिशन तुमी हेका सो लोकांचो कसो कितें रिस्पॉन्स आशिल्लो फूल थ्रू आउट एक्सपोजिशन जे 45 days ते आशिल्ले
I think the response was good. We as of day before yesterday, we had touched, I think, around 75 lakh pilgrims. And I think for the last, if you take the account for the last 3 days, that is till tomorrow, I expect it to easily cross 80 lakhs.
तुमचे टार्गेट 80 lakhs
There was no target as such.
हां
But we worked on an estimate that there would be around 80 lakhs. See, targets are fixed, but we should be able to achieve it. If we had to fix a target, then we would have to request all of you all, come please join to achieve the target. So no target was kept. But we could foresee that, with Christmas season and other festivities, that people were coming even from abroad. People were coming from all over. So everything was to take advantage of these things. People have also come for the exposition.
So do you think that, sir, exposition helped tourism? Exposition has helped tourism?
I definitely feel yes, to a large extent. Because people who have come from abroad have stayed in hotels, and they visited all parts of Goa also.
For closing ceremony, CM will be going, or
I can't talk on behalf of the chief.
you will be going closing?
I will definitely.
थँक्यू
Sir, in this 1 month, you felt anything that some changes is required for next to be
Sir, next exposition first I have to be alive.
but you can suggest now that they can
No, I think it depends. It basically depends on the situation. Like for example, we used to go there almost every day. So we were alive to the situation. There were many things that we had to undo what we were doing earlier. We had to try and implement something new. So all that is part of planning. But we planned something. But then you also, for example, the crowd that was there. So seeing the situation, we would react. Like the church authorities agreed to open the veneration part at 6 o'clock in the morning. They agreed to close the veneration at 7 o'clock in the evening. So we added 2 hours to try and deal with the crowd. So everything was, we reacted according to the situation.
Sir, this will not be the last exposition, but
I don't know who's spreading the rumor. This definitely is not. The church authorities have clarified. Government has not fixed the exposition. It is the church authorities who fix. And the church has clarified that this is not the last exposition.
थँक्यू
sir, what was the percentage among visitors? How many visitors from outside foreign countries? What was the percentage?
I don't know. But I can tell you that pilgrims have come from all parts of the world. Pilgrims have come from all parts of India. And having said that, I would also say that people of all faiths have come. Be it Hindus, be it Muslims, be it Catholics, Christians. People of all faiths have come from various parts. So I believe that is the faith of people in Goan society.
थँक्यू